Welcome back to the house channel. It's me, Packy, today with competitor Tommy Jones. And today we're gonna do a race to 10, which means you have to get in order that amount of pins. So starting off with 1 and ending with a strike.
Actually, we're only doing race to 9.
Race to 9 because
no
we're skipping.
2 count.
Skipping
If we did 2, I would definitely win, but we'll see what happens to get into 10.
All right, good luck.
Good luck. So you have to get 1 before you can move on, correct?
You have to get 1 first.
Okay. If you get 0, do you lose a shot? Like I get to go twice?
Sure. Yeah, why not?
It's not 0.
It's not 0.
I got less than you, so I get to go again.
Yeah, that's definitely not how that works. How long do you think it takes?
How many do we have to get to? 1, 3,
10.
4? All the way?
1 through 10.
I got to fly at 6. Why don't you just use this one?
Oh my God. Jesus. It's like, where's my ball? Ah.
Ah!
It's the same. I know, you did a lot of bowling this week. You're getting up there, what are you, like 48? Closing in on the 50 tour?
I could be your father.
I just throw the same shot every time. 1. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Yes!
Apparently this 7 pin's easier. Apparently this 7 pin's easier. I knew it had to be easier on that side.
Apparently. That's what they tell me. Tell me it's easier on the left.
All right, now we gotta get 3.
3. That is double.
Oh, bullshit.
Throw it too hard.
That was almost not PG-13.
No, it's actually better because then we just bleep it all out.
Okay.
Put some fun sound effects on it.
Uh-oh.
4 is the tricky one. This is where the advantage of the guy who doesn't throw it as hard comes in.
Yeah.
You get a lot of bounces across the deck.
But I do have a little bit of advantage on 4.
Three, 3.
3, 3.
6.
I don't even know how to attempt to get 4.
I try and just shoot the 6, 10 or
Into
the 4,
the-
7 and cut it a little bit, and then just get lucky enough to get 4. That's 3. Need that to bounce. Just a little bounce. If you strike, do I get a secondary
Yes.
shot?
100%. You still gotta use that ball though.
What?
Yeah, I didn't
And you
throw
get to
another
use the purple hammer.
Uh-oh.
That was close. You know this is 4, right?
I'm trying.
It's not leave 4, it's get 4.
I gotta slow it down. Just gotta slow down.
You've got some impressive 3s.
How does that not?
You said you got to slow it down. If you do that just like a little bit harder, that would have been perfect.
All right, so I gotta speed it up a little bit.
Oh.
Uh-oh. 2 shots.
That's 3 again.
This is the stupidest game I've ever
I told you 4 is the tricky one. I guess I don't need to re-rack because I threw it in the gutter. I think you should just try and get the 3, 6, 9, 10 by itself. Wow, you're so good at that.
What is going on? That's 4.
That's 4. I think you need to throw it in the gutter Give a little mental reset. That's 4 right there.
Pretty good at like getting it right after you get it. I'm not doing very good to get ahead.
That's 8. That's 9. Just head pin by itself, does that count? And that's 5.
5.
Right there, first try.
Taking the lead. That's 4.
Oh, it wiggled. All those times I needed 4.
All right, I think I just got to give it the heater. I can leave the front bucket.
This is just a strike shot for you right here.
Front bucket. Instead, I just take 3 straight off.
I'm telling you, the strike shot big 4 would be good.
I don't have a strike ball today, sir.
I've thrown the most strikes ever with that ball.
It's above my pay grade.
It all feels easy when you're bowling.
Trying to do it?
Yeah, when you're not trying to do it, and then you try and do it, and it's a mess.
5.
5. All tied up. What is that?
6.
My God. Has anyone ever told you that you're lucky?
They did, but they didn't mean it. You were saying?
Something about luck. I said something about luck. I don't know what it was.
Oh God. That was not where we were aiming.
You said I got a strike with the plastic ball too?
Yeah.
At the end?
You've done that once before, haven't you?
I'm well practiced at that.
I'm actually quite disappointed in myself that I didn't think of that one.
What, the little baby hook?
Yeah.
3, 6, 10?
Yeah.
I figured it'd be good because then I could get a warm-up shot in, you know, get lined in.
No.
7 again.
Okay.
Too easy.
8.
I need a little thinner hit on the 2-4. A little thinner hit, sneak him across. Ah. The slow roll.
Yeah. I don't really know this 8 thing very well.
I don't know why I thought that was my best option, but. Oh. Wiggle it. +1 for Packy, +1.
I'm gonna be stuck on 8 for like the rest of my life.
Oh! I was trying to go through the face and I got 9.
8's impossible.
I thought 9 would be impossible because I thought I'd be giving you a lot of 2-stroke penalties here. That's a, hey, good game.
I'm getting 8.
You have a rebuttal. You could go off the sheet here.
No, I'm getting
8. You could go 8, 9, 10 to tie.
I'm getting 8 before I stop. We might run out of battery.
Here comes the video replay.
I'm getting 8.
Insert the time lapse of Tommy trying to get 8. Well, guys, it's been a blast bowling against Tommy here. We might be here for a little bit.
I want to be not nice right now.
As you saw, dominating fashion with the victory here. Do you have anything to say about your performance? You want to explain yourself out there?
I feel like that you get bored in the bowling center a lot more times than I do, and I was at a disadvantage of what we just did. I had a purple hammer, you had a plastic ball. You didn't tell me what we were doing beforehand. So I'm gonna make up all the excuses I can make. I was defeated, but we will run it back.
All right.